I've sometimes thought that I've had an unhealthy focus on identity. But I wonder if perhaps it's actually natural to think a lot about one's identity when one has no model in the external world. No role model, no hero that exemplifies my traits, that shows me my potential. I certainly wouldn't describe myself as a jack of all trades, but I also couldn't describe myself as a master of one either. I excel at many different things. I don't just have one passion. I have dozens of passions. I don't have a singular grand vision for my whole life, although I do try to create one. I wear a lot of different hats. Like Voltaire said, I am vast. I contain multitudes. All great writers must be in touch with the multitudes within, because in order to write a good book, you have to be able to become each of your characters. If you want to write a good villain, you have to be in touch with your inner villain. I used to confuse my capability to become anything with being nothing. I used to believe that because I could become anything for a time, that I could become anything for life, that I could selectively identify with one thing and remain that. If I'm honest with myself, I've never stopped being obsessed with identity. But I no longer make the mistake of asking which one of my parts is the real me. I can be dynamic without being a hypocrite. Let's redefine what it means to give something your all. Instead of thinking about giving 100% of your effort, let's think about giving something 100% of yourselves. If you liked this video, hit that like button, subscribe, comment below, and for now, this is Raederle, signing off.